Hi everyone! Welcome to our one-digit subtraction quiz. You'll see each question on the screen and you'll have 5 seconds to guess the answer. Each correct answer gives you 1 point, so try to get them all right. If you need more time, you can pause the video while thinking. At the end, comment your total score below and tell us how you did. Let's begin and have fun learning subtraction together. Start with 8, count back 3. What number is left? Start with 9, take away 4. How many remain? Start with 7, count back 2. Find the difference. Start with 6, count back 1. What number is left? Start with 5, take away 3. How many are fewer? Start with 10, count back 6. What remains? Start with 9, take away 5. Find how many are left. Start with 7, count back 4. What's the difference? Start with 8, count back 6. How many remain? Start with 6, take away 2. How many are left? Start with 10, count back 3. What number is fewer? Start with 9, count back 2. Find what remains. Start with 5, count back 1. How many are left? Start with 7, take away 5. What is the difference? Start with 10, count back 8. What number remains? Great job, everyone! Add up your points and comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math quizzes. See you in the next video.